Alright, cool. This first song is called First Kiss, and if you know it, please sing along. Do you know it? Maybe? No? Yeah?
Of course we do.
Good? Alright, cool. The song's called First Kiss. When I met you, Miss Perfect, nothing was the same. I bought you flowers, talked about you for hours, and it was insane. The first time I loved out loud was when I said your name. It came from my lungs and it rolled off my tongue, such a simple thing. Girl, can you tell me what to do in that situation? Haven't slept in days, yeah, she's got me wishing that you were my first kiss, the one that messed me up. The first kiss wasn't enough. My heart was on fire for you, 'cause you were my first kiss, the one that blew me away. A first kiss, I swear I'm going insane. No matter what I do, you're always in my brain. Yeah. We were walking down this street, talking about the world, and out of nowhere you moved closer. You got me, girl. And I was surprised at what I did in that situation. Your glances at me have got me thinking that this is love.